In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove a short link in Catly. Open your Catly dashboard and find the short link you want to delete. Click the trash icon next to the short link. Remove this link. A confirmation window will appear. Click OK to confirm deleting this link. After removing the link, all statistic and click data will also be deleted. OK. And that's it. The short link has been removed from your account. Please remember that after deleting a short link, its alias cannot be reused for some time until it becomes available again. If you only want to change the destination URL but keep the same short link, it's better to use the change source URL option instead of deleting the link. Subscribe and try it yourself at Catly.